Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to change the language settings in Fixy AI. For that, make sure that you have downloaded Fixy AI app on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and type in Fixy. Now click on this logo to open this app. Now to change language settings in Fixy AI, you can see this explanation language option and here drop down menu. You can see different languages here. Choose the language as you prefer. It will be set as English as default, and if you want to change to other languages, simply click on it. For example, if I want to change into Polski, I'll simply click on this option. Now to test if the language has been changed or not, simply type in the text that you want to convert. After that, click on this correct option. Now if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see this will automatically translate English language in the language that you have selected. So this is how you can change language settings in Fixy AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.